Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So friends, one of the important updates coming forward for the students who have applied for the Infosys Ageverse. So I have already given update related to this hiring, and those students who have applied for this great opportunity, now candidates are receiving the response. So thank you for expressing your interest in pursuing our career. So your test will be on 16th of Jan at 11 am, and you will receive the assessment mail by 15th of Jan. So this is the confirmation that you have been shortlisted for their assessment. Okay, so make sure to check your mail, those who have applied. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, friends, keep an eye on our job opportunity. I regularly post lots of job update in this channel. Okay, so if you haven't applied, no need to worry. I think now the link has been expired, but whenever some update will come related to other place, then I will provide update. Okay, talking about the assessment type, so there will be two coding questions will be there, and date of online, that is 16th Jan 2026. टाइम आपका भाई वही रहेगा 11 AM to 4:40 PM, मीन्स टोटल 100 मिनट्स रहेगा एंड टू कोडिंग क्वेश्चन. रिमेंबर फ्रेंड, यू शुड do coding in a good way and don't do copy and paste from ChatGPT, Gemini or any other sources, because they have a strict rule in checking the code and all things. So if you will do these kind of things, then you will be rejected. So this is a great opportunity for the person. So those who have, I think this opportunity was open for two locations, Gurgaon and Pune. So this candidate was actually applied for the Gurgaon. Okay, and those who applied for the multiple location, I think they might get rejected. That's why I said in the hiring now that don't apply for multiple locations. Okay, so if you got the mail, then congrats and best of luck for the further test. If you have any query, you can ask here. And talking about the important thing, that they have clearly mentioned do's and don't, that you can't navigate to the other, and you will be continuously monitored, means it will be video proctored assessment. So you should be careful about all that things and make sure that you will give the assessment in good way, because there is a high chance of revert and you will basically work with Infosys. So hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here, comment here. And for getting other job important opportunity, make sure to subscribe us, friend. Okay, and sorry for some background noise, because currently I am outside of my home, and that's why some background noise might came. So keep updated and best of luck for exam. Thank you.